Hello, everyone, and welcome back to your channel name. Today, we have an exciting and informative video lined up for you as we delve into the world of GCP networking. If you're ready to enhance your cloud experience and ensure your resources are seamlessly connected, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things cloud computing. Now, let's get started. Google Cloud Platform offers a robust set of networking features that enable you to establish reliable connections between your virtual machines, databases, and other cloud resources. Whether you're looking to optimize performance, enhance security, or streamline your workflow, GCP Networking has got you covered. Let's break down the key components and strategies to ensure your resources are connected with ease. Before we jump into the technical details, let's lay the foundation. GCP networking operates on a set of principles that form the backbone of your cloud infrastructure. From virtual private clouds, VPCs, to subnetworks, understanding these basics is crucial. Let's explore. Now that we grasp the fundamentals, let's move on to connecting virtual machines. GCP provides various options to establish connectivity between VMs, from internal IP addresses to external IP addresses. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring your virtual machines communicate seamlessly. One of the key advantages of GCP networking is the ability to distribute traffic efficiently. Load balancing ensures that your resources are utilized to their full potential, preventing bottlenecks and improving overall performance. Stick around as we demonstrate how to set up load balancing for your applications. Security is a top priority in the cloud, and GCP provides robust tools to safeguard your resources. Firewall rules play a crucial role in controlling incoming and outgoing traffic. We'll show you how to configure firewall rules effectively, ensuring a secure environment for your applications and data. No networking guide is complete without addressing monitoring and troubleshooting. GCP offers powerful tools to help you keep an eye on your network's health and promptly address any issues that may arise. Join us as we explore these tools and share tips for efficient network management. When it comes to connecting your on-premises data center to GCP, high-performance interconnectivity is key. In this section, we'll delve into the options available for establishing fast and reliable connections between your local infrastructure and the Google Cloud. Expanding your applications globally? GCP's global load balancing strategies ensure that your users around the world experience low latency and high availability. Stick around as we explore how to implement global load balancing effectively. Cost optimization is a crucial aspect of cloud management. GCP offers network service tiers that allow you to choose between standard and premium networking, depending on your application's requirements. Join us as we discuss how to optimize costs without compromising performance. Privacy matters, even in the cloud. Private Google Access allows your resources to access Google Cloud services without exposing them to the public internet. Learn how to implement private Google Access to enhance the security and privacy of your applications. Connecting your on-premises network to GCP securely is essential. Cloud VPN, Virtual Private Network, provides a secure and encrypted connection between your local network and GCP. Join us as we guide you through the setup process for a reliable and secure connection. Scalability is a cornerstone of cloud computing. In this section, we'll share networking best practices to ensure your infrastructure scales seamlessly as your business grows. From subnetting strategies to resource organization, we've got you covered. Hybrid cloud environments require a unique approach to networking. Whether you're leveraging GCP alongside an on-premises data center or other cloud providers, we'll discuss effective strategies to ensure seamless communication and data flow. Serverless applications are becoming increasingly popular, and GCP provides network endpoints to connect these applications directly to your VPC network. Join us as we explore how to use network endpoints for efficient communication in serverless architectures. Security is an ongoing concern, and in this section, we'll delve deeper into network security best practices. From encryption to identity and access management, learn how to fortify your network against potential threats. Preparing for the unexpected is crucial. In this final section, we'll cover disaster recovery and redundancy strategies within GCP networking. Learn how to design your network to withstand failures and ensure business continuity. Efficiently managing your network's bandwidth is vital. GCP's Traffic Director allows you to optimize traffic distribution across your services. Join us as we explore how to leverage Traffic Director for efficient bandwidth usage. Big data comes with unique networking challenges. In this section, we'll discuss strategies and best practices for optimizing your network to handle large-scale data workloads efficiently. Controlling access and permissions is crucial in a cloud environment. VPC service controls enable you to manage network policies effectively. Stay with us as we demonstrate how to set up and manage network policies with VPC service controls. Content delivery networks, CDN, play a significant role in enhancing the delivery speed of your content. In this section, we'll explore how to leverage GCP's CDN for optimal content delivery across the globe. Automation simplifies complex tasks. GCP's Deployment Manager allows you to automate the provisioning and management of your network resources. Join us as we discuss the benefits and demonstrate the use of Deployment Manager for networking automation. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to GCP networking. We've covered everything from the basics to advanced strategies, ensuring you have the knowledge to optimize your cloud infrastructure. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe for more insightful content. As always, thank you for joining us on Your Channel Name. Until next time, happy networking!